Hi there, this video is an introduction to OLAP Recommender tool, which was developed at the University of Economics in Prague in the scope of Open Budgets project. OLAP Recommender is a web application serving as a bridge between the association rule mining and the data visualization. The tool can be used in three main scenarios. The first one is to get basic overview of unknown data. The second one is to help with self-service BI by identifying potentially interesting parts in the data. And the last one is to help user to better understand results of the association rule mining by navigating him to an appropriate data visualization. The workflow consists of 4 simple steps. First, you upload your multidimensional data. It works both for aggregate and transactional data, but there must be some attributes in a role of a dimension and some numeric attributes in a role of a measure. Then you define the data structure. That means which attributes are dimensions and which are measures, and you define the dimensions hierarchy and data types. The third step is the association rule mining, and then the data mining results leads you to a simple OLAP visualization. The visualizations reveal the parts of the data cube identified by the association rule mining as potentially interesting. So next in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the OLAP Recommender. This is the main page, so you click Start. You enter the dataset name, then you can upload your data either in .csv or RDF data in Turtle format. In Open Budgets we use RDF, so I have some RDF data here from the Open Budgets GitHub. It's EU Structural Fund Budget 2014 to 2020 and it's got like 7,000 observations. Now I have to define the structure of the data, so I upload the data structure definition in RDF using the data cube vocabulary. Here you can see the definition. Here is plenty of dimensions, but a lot of them are attached to the whole dataset, so have the same value for all the observations. The recommender doesn't use these dimensions as they carry no information to the association rule mining. So the useful dimensions are member states, fund, and functional classification, and then here are 3 measures, which are amount funded by EU, by the country, and the total amount funded. I upload the file, the data are loaded into the Recommender tool, and now we can see just some quick visualizations. We can set the measure, let's say the total amount funded, then the x-axis dimension, let's say the state, and legend, for example the fund. We can also filter the data. Let's say we want the data only for ERDF and for EAFRD funds. Here we can see that the highest amounts in Poland and in Italy for ERDF, and for EAFRD it is Italy, France and Germany. Next, we will mine the association rules. On this screen, we set the task name, the base quantifier value, and the lift. Base quantifier value is a percentage of the total rows in the data that we want to support the hypothesis. Lift indicates how much stronger should be the found relationship in comparison to the whole dataset average. So let's set the base as 0.1% and lift, for example, to 3. The commensurability levels define the condition of the association rule. It's better to use it for the data with deeper hierarchies, like some sales data with hierarchies, for example, type, category, product, etc. In this case, I want to use it. So now the association rule mining task is running. It can take some time for this data. It can be like a minute or 2. And here we see the status of the task. Now the task is finished. So let's see its results. There were 18 rules found, so we can look at them. The first rule says that in Poland, the EU funded amount for the project is unusually high. So we look at the rule, and in the visualization we can see that Poland really has the highest amount funded among all the countries. So let's go back now. And here is another rule saying that the Youth Employment Initiative Fund is usually funded by small amounts from the national budgets. So let's look at that. And here the visualization is also very clear. So this was the OLAP Recommender, the tool that is connecting association rule mining and the data visualization. Thank you for watching.